What is a Balthazar bottle of wine? How big is a Balthazar bottle of wine? Well, first off, you have to know that Balthazar is a biblical figure, one of the three wise men who brought gifts as Jesus' nativity. One of the three wise men, they were Balthazar, Melchior, and Gaspar. I believe Balthazar and Melchior are both wine bottle sizes, supersized wine bottles of wine. So how big is this Balthazar? Well, let me spoil it for you. It is very, very big. So if you followed my guide to the wine bottle sizes, you already know that a Magnum is twice the size of a normal standard 750 ml bottle of wine. And that's already rather big. I'm sure you've seen a Magnum somewhere hanging around. Well, a Balthazar is 8 times bigger than a Magnum. And that's 16 times bigger than a bottle of wine. So a Balthazar contains the equivalent of 16 bottles of wine, knowing that a bottle of wine can pour about 5 glasses of standard drinking, pouring size, 150 ml glasses of wine. I'll let you calculate how many glasses contains a Balthazar. So what is a Balthazar? How big it is? Well, it is essentially a 12-liter bottle of wine. A bottle of wine containing 12 liters of wine. A Balthazar is indeed pretty big. It's, just a little bit smaller than the Nebuchadnezzar, which contains 15 liters of wine. I made a video about Nebuchadnezzar and all the different bottles sizes, the large format bottle sizes. I'll let you check out my guide to all the different wine bottle sizes. It's a fascinating world, this world of wine we live in. I'll let you to it. I hope you do have a Balthazar at home, and send me an invite in the comments below and I'll come and share it with you, perhaps, if it's a nice wine. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Give this video a quick thumb up if it was useful, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of vino. Au revoir. Bye-bye.